In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a welcome message and your logo on Calendly. This simple process will help you personalize your scheduling experience for your clients, making it both welcoming and professional. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Calendly's official website at calendly.com. Once you're there, look at the upper right corner of the home page. You'll see the login option. Give that a click to proceed to the login page. Now you'll need to enter your email address. This is the email associated with your Calendly account. Once you've inputted your email, click continue. After that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Simply type it in and press continue again. If you've got two-factor authentication enabled, be sure to complete that step as well. Once logged in, you'll land on the Calendly homepage. This is where you manage all your event types and scheduling settings. The next step is to locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Profile. On the profile page, you'll see an option labeled Welcome Message. Here, you can craft a warm, inviting message that your clients will see when they schedule an appointment. Take a moment to customize it to reflect your personal brand or company values. After crafting your personalized welcome message, don't forget to hit Save Changes to ensure all your hard work sticks. Now let's add your logo. Click on Branding on the same page. This is where your logo will be uploaded and customized. You'll see an Upload Image button. Click on it and a window will pop up where you can select your logo from your device. Once your logo is selected and uploaded, you'll have the option to crop it. Make necessary adjustments and be sure to click on Apply. If your organization uses Calendly across multiple users, you can opt to apply these branding changes to everyone within your organization by ticking the appropriate checkboxes. This ensures a consistent brand experience for all users. Finally, don't forget the crucial last step. Click on Save Changes. This action will cement all the adjustments you've made, ensuring that your welcome message and logo are visible to anyone scheduling with you through Calendly. And that's it. In just a few short minutes, you've now successfully added a personalized welcome message and your logo to your Calendly profile. This easy customization can make a significant difference in how your clients perceive your brand, offering a professional touch to your scheduling process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your Calendly experience.